So I sit here at my desk and open packages, open mail, and I'm always needing a knife, so I go get a steak knife from the kitchen. But recently I have started buying pocket knives. One, I just want them in my vehicle in case I need a knife. They come in handy a lot more than you would think. You know, hunting and fishing, obviously, but just having one laying around is a big help. And then also having one in my desk drawer to open a package with is a no-brainer. So I've been testing pocket knives on Amazon, and I found this one from Smith Wesson, and so far I'm really impressed with it. It is super heavy duty. I mean, it's a heavy knife and heavy duty. Comes with a clip so you can clip it onto your pants. It comes with a safety so you can turn the safety on and off, which means the blade won't open or close if you have the safety on, and it is also spring assisted. So with just the flick of one finger, the spring helps assist the open so that you don't have to use two hands. If you're holding on to something and you can't put it down, you can just open it with one hand, which also makes it a little more dangerous, obviously. So I don't think this is the proper knife for like a kid or a teenager starting out. This is definitely an adult-only product in my opinion, and it is the folding mechanism where you have to pull over on the little mechanism inside in order to get the blade to go down. But I'm really impressed with how beefy it is. I mean, Smith & Wesson makes lots of sporting goods, so they are a pretty big name in the sporting good area, and they make some impressive things, and this is just another one of those things that I think is just super over-made. It's a bit overkill for a knife, but if you're gonna buy a knife, this thing could probably last you the rest of your life, so you might as well buy a good one. But I'm happy with this thing. If you are looking for a similar knife for your needs, this is one that I have and that I enjoy and that I would definitely recommend.